Today you will see us father and son cook chili paneer.
Chilli Paneer.
Something I've been expecting for a while, Dad. Do you know that?
You know, really you will like it.
It's for vegetarians actually, isn't it?
Yeah. Guys, this is a pure vegetarian. Anyone can try in your home.
Yeah, obviously. So then let's start with the ingredients.
Yes. The ingredients are paneer cubes, crushed ginger garlic, green chilli slit, diced onion, diced mixed peppers, corn flour, all purpose flour, crushed red chilies, dark soya sauce, tomato ketchup, spring onion cubes, chopped coriander leaves, vegetable oil, and finally salt. Now I will show you how to marinate the paneer. First step, take a bowl, add crushed red chilli, crushed ginger garlic, dark soy sauce, tomato ketchup, salt. Then mix it very well. Then add the paneer. Then mix it very well. Keep it aside at least 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I'm going to add 1 spoon of plain flour. Also, I'm going to add 1 spoon of corn flour into the paneer. Then nicely toast it very well. Like that.
We are going to fry the paneer.
Good. Add the oil.
Oil.
The oil is ready now. I'm going to add the paneer.
It's satisfying.
Like this. It look like paneer almost ready. So now I'm going to turn to other side. Like this. We have to fry the paneer until light brown color. Yes, paneer is almost ready. Now I'm going to remove the paneer from the oil. Heat the frying pan, add oil, then slit green chilli, crushed ginger garlic, and saute until light brown color.
Is it ready, Dad?
Yeah, ginger garlic almost light brown color now. So now I'm going to add the crushed red chilli.
Okay.
Again saute around 10 seconds. Onion. Also add mixed peppers. Mix it very well again. Make sure we have to saute the onion and mixed pepper at least 5 minutes. So I think it's almost ready now. I'm going to add 2 spoons of tomato ketchup. Then add 1 spoon of soya sauce. Then mix it very well. Next, I am going to add 1 cup of water.
When the sauce started to boil, start adding the paneer.
Again mix it very well. Now I'm going to add the salt. And spring onion. Also going to add chopped coriander. Again mix it very well. For thickening the gravy, actually I am using corn flour. So I'll show you how to make a corn flour liquid. So take a 2 spoon of corn flour and need to add 4 spoon of plain water, which means don't add any hot water into it. Then mix it very well to make a fine liquid. Consistency exactly I am looking for. Finally, I am going to add 2 spoon of diluted corn flour. Then mix it very well to make a fine texture of the gravy. Yes, paneer chili is ready now. So
Nice.
yeah, we can garnish with spring onion and chopped coriander as well.
It is tasting time.
Tasting time.
Okay.
You
Let me
taste
have
first.
Big one. Oh, it looks nice. Oh, it looks so nice.
You know what? Really very tasty. More than that, it's a pure vegetarian dish.
It's really soft. The second I bite it, it's gone. It's turned microscopic. It's that soft. Wow. What was the taste? Amazing. I just like it, Dad. I don't know how to express
That's
it.
why I told you I will make a very nice dish for you.
Yeah, vegetarians, you must try this. I mean, how come? We love this, so must you. So make sure to make this at your home, okay? Do not forget it. Now, thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget, the most of all, subscribe to our channel and click the bell notification button next to the subscribe button. Now we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.